Today we're gonna be talking about how to fix harsh or soft shadows in Photoshop. Now picture this: suppose you have a picture of a subject with one side of the subject completely bright, well lit, and the other side in shadows. Now how to fix that? Today we're gonna solve just that using the very basic concepts of blend modes and channels. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do, as you can see in this image, the right side of her face not face exactly the right side of our body's well lit, but her face is completely in dark. You want to brighten that, you want to get rid of the shadows. So what to do? First thing, select the Channels tab, check for clip. Now press and hold Ctrl a command and then click on RGB. Now this selects the brighter areas of the picture. Now this is interesting. RGB, this selects the bright areas, but we want to affect the dark areas, the shadows, right? So what do? We invert the selection, and as simple as that, Ctrl Shift I, Command Shift I. Here now press Ctrl Command J. This puts the dark areas in its own layer. Have a look, dark areas in its own layer. Now what was the blend mode which brightens up things? Change a blend mode to screen. Have a look, it's all solved the shadows. Anywhere else, we just wanted to get rid of the shadows in her face, so create a mask. As simple as that. Press and hold Alt or Option and click on this mask button. This creates a negative mask. Now select the brush, make sure the foreground color is white, and paint back in just the face with soft brush. Doesn't matter, you don't have to be super perfect in this, super accurate, and that's just paint over her face with white. Okay, so there we go, as simple as that. Done before, after, done right. It's solved. As simple. That's great. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more free tutorials. And please leave your comment below if you need any help. Thanks for watching.